How to convert BNB to USDT in Binance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert BNB to USDT in Binance. So first thing, just head over to your Binance application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once inside here, just tap on this trade button, or you can also choose to click on the portfolio option here at the bottom right corner. If you don't see that, just head over to this trade option and simply select this convert option at the top left corner. So once you're inside here, just select this BNB under the from section. If you haven't already, just select this BNB, and under the to section just select the USDT, same as here under my screen. So from over here, all you have to do is just enter the amount in the BNB which you want to convert it into USDT. So you can also see the maximum limit or amount inside the BNB. So once you select any amount that you want to convert, you can simply tap on this preview, and once it verifies, you can simply convert and wait for few time until it conversion is successful. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.